Ever stared blankly at your Neon account, wishing that old email address would just vanish into thin air? You're not alone. Maybe you've switched jobs, updated your personal email, or perhaps you just want a cleaner digital footprint. Whatever the reason, needing to change the email associated with your Neon account is a common situation. Now, you might be thinking, this is going to be a complicated mess of menus and forgotten passwords. And while it's true that some platforms make this process feel like navigating a digital labyrinth, changing your Neon email is actually quite straightforward. In this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free update. Before we dive in, it's important to understand why keeping your email address up to date is crucial. Your email is often the primary point of contact for important notifications, security alerts, and account recovery options. An outdated email address can lead to missed information, potential security vulnerabilities, and a headache if you ever need to reset your password. So, taking a few moments to update it is definitely worth your time. Alright, let's get down to it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Neon account. Head over to the Neon website or open the Neon app on your device. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings or profile section. The exact location of this might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but generally, you'll be looking for an icon or a menu option labeled something like Profile, Account, Settings, or even your name. Click on this option. Within your account settings, you should be able to find a section related to your personal information. This is where you'll typically see your name, phone number, and, of course, your email address. Look for the field that displays your current Neon email. Next to your email address, you should see an option to edit, change, or something similar. Click on this button. You will likely be prompted to enter your new email address. Double-check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any typos. After entering your new email address, Neon will likely ask you to verify it. This is a crucial security step to ensure that you actually own the new email address you've provided. Neon will send a verification email to your new email address. Head over to your inbox for that new email address and look for a message from Neon. Inside, you'll find a verification link or a code. Click on the link or follow the instructions in the email to verify your new email address. This step confirms that the new email is valid and that you have access to it. Once you've successfully verified your new email address, the change should be reflected in your Neon account settings. You might receive a confirmation notification within your Neon account or via an email to your old address, just to inform you of the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated the email address associated with your Neon account. It's a relatively simple process, but taking the time to do it ensures your account remains secure and that you don't miss any important updates. Remember to keep your login credentials safe and to update your email address across all your online accounts whenever necessary. It's a small step that can save you a lot of potential trouble down the line. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.